In this video, we're going to find a missing number. So if we have a problem like this that says, fill in the missing number, and we have a big blank here, minus 233 has to equal 3587. So the first step is to find the number that makes the subtraction sentence true. Well, how do you do that? So this is how the sentence looks if we rewrite it. So it's question mark minus 233 equals 3587. So what you need to do is you have to get this question mark by itself. So the way to do that is to add 233 to both sides of the equal sign. And you do it to both sides because you want to make sure you don't change the sentence itself. So if you add to both sides, that'll keep the equation the same. So how would that look? So question mark minus 233 plus 233, then we have 3587 plus 233. So if we subtract these from each other, we're left with nothing, right? We're just left with the question mark by itself, which is what we want. And then we just calculate what 3587 plus 233 is. And you could put that in a calculator or you could do it by hand. And the answer is 3820. 3820 is the missing number. That's the number we're looking for that goes into this box. So we need to check that though. So the way to check is to put the answer here, 3820 minus 233, and then you do that subtraction. So let's do that. So 0 minus 3 we can't do, so let's borrow from the 2. The 2 becomes a 1, and we put a 1 here beside the 0 to make this 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now we go to the next place value. 1 minus 3, we can't do that, so let's borrow from the 8. The 8 becomes a 7, and this 1 here becomes an 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Then we go to the next place value. 7 minus 2 is 5. And then 3 minus nothing is 3. So that is correct. It's the same number as this. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that can explain to you how to borrow and how to do a subtraction like this in more detail. And also there's other videos that are similar to this where you can get more practice. You can also download the ebook and you can follow in the ebook this exact lesson as you watch the video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.